you an international student planning to study in Canada? You must know that getting a student visa is very troublesome. Don't worry, in this video I'm going to explain step by step on how to apply for a Canadian student visa. But one thing you need to do is your introduction. So what do I mean by introduction? Let's understand a few things about Canadian student visa. You can apply for it online or via paper, but the online is faster. It's encouraged to actually apply for your student visa online. Number 2 is the eligibility. First step is to check if you're eligible to apply for a Canadian student visa. You need to have an offer from the university, proof of fund. You should not have any criminal record. Also, you need to take some medical examination before applying. Once you check all these eligibility criteria, then you can start to apply. Next step is to gather required documents. So what are the required documents? They are your proof of fund, your approval letter from the school, from the university you applied, acceptance letter. You need to have the proof of fund to support your study and living abroad, complete application form, and the receipt of your application fee. You need to apply online for a student permit. Create an account with the Government of Canada official website. Complete the application form, upload all the necessary documents, and pay the application fee. Once done, you submit your application and wait for the processing period. Number 5, very critical, you need to track your application. So you can do this by logging into the account you created with the Government of Canada. You need to log in and track it regularly. Depending on the country you are going to, so some takes a month, 2 months, but you need to check it regularly so for it to be updated. Conclusion, applying for a Canadian student visa can be overwhelming, but with the right information and guidance, you can make the process smooth. Forget your introduction, check your eligibility, gather required documents, and apply online for a student permit. Track your online application.